Now let's look at smart irrigation. Imagine a center pivot irrigation system. These large watering sprinklers that move in circles over fields that know exactly how fast to move and where water is most needed at any given moment. It sounds like science fiction, but it is actually a service now turns to variable rate irrigation technology. Variable rate irrigation systems gather field data, including crop type, development stage of the crop, soil type, grade of the land, and weather information, and use that information to distribute water as effectively as possible. These allow farms to control water distribution by zone, speed, and individual sprinklers at each degree of the 360-degree cycle, which prevent watering areas that do not need it. If you are going to get 6 inches of rain tomorrow, the center pivot will know not to irrigate, said Oman. With Valley Irrigation, one company that is working on VRI systems. It is almost like another set of eyes in the field, automatically maintaining soil moisture, especially with critical crops. It gives us the opportunity to make some educated, quick decisions as to whether we need to turn on or shut off and what it looked like forecasted out 4 or 5 days so we can actually make some good irrigation management systems.